this channel. Hope your day was amazing so far. Well, as we all know that not all of us have a perfect goddess like bodies. Many of us also complain that I'm so tall, OMG, I'm so fat, I'm not looking good in this dress. But I just want to say that have you ever noticed or thought when the complaining part comes, just take a time, think of it. I'm sure you won't have any answer to this. It's just that the complaining part comes when you don't have confidence in yourself, like the way you are styling. If you style according to your body and you know and you have the confidence in you that yes, I'm looking good in this, that's the part where the complaining won't come. So it's just the matter of confidence you should have in yourself. And in this video I'll just share some information about the body types with you and give you some of the tips just to boost up your confidence and to increase your fashion sense. After watching this video, I'm sure if you apply it to your personal lives, I'm sure everyone can be imperfectly perfect. So in this entire world there are n number of people with many shapes, sizes, figures and all, but in the fashion industries they are basically all types of bodies, including this plus size. So myself, Amina Habib, I am a student of fashion designing from the Konya Institute, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our first body type will be apple shaped body. You will fall in this apple shaped category if you have a heavier upper body compared to your lower part. People usually in this category have broader shoulders, bigger bust line. So basically the whole weight gathers around your midriff. So now going for the styling tips. Since most of the weight gathers above the hip, that is the midriff, so that part appears to be heavier than the remaining part of the body. So the idea here is to take the attention away from that part and highlight your strengths, that is flaunting your legs, wearing a deep V neckline shirts just to create an illusion of a torso. So the best dresses that suits this body type can be A-line skirts, empire cuts and printed dresses, layered jackets. For the colors you should go for monochromatic colors or dark colors, and for the bottom part go for plazos, flared pants. Flared pant with a flowy top will be a big yes for you. Here we just need to create an illusion and create a balance for the upper and lower body part. Our next body shape will be an hourglass figure. This body type is the most balanced and well proportionate from the top and bottom. You have a well defined waistline as well. This body is particularly a die-for body and everyone prefers to have this kind of body. So basically we don't have any particular styling tips for this body as everything suits it. You just need to show that you flaunt your curves very well. A third body type will be a pear-shaped body. This body type is also known as a triangle body shape, as most of the weight gathers at the lower part of the body, and your butts and thighs are visually bigger than your upper body type. If you are naturally born with this body type, then I am sure you are damn lucky to have this body type. And the biggest advantage in this body type is that you can create an illusion of an hourglass. Perfect balance in your styling, you can focus more on your lower body parts or you can focus on your upper body part, as your upper part is slightly slimmer and your hips are wider, so either way works well. The best clothes for this body type will be wide leg pants, A-line skirts, flowy tops, or flowy tops, ruffle tops as well, and skinny jeans with a flowy top will be a yes for you because it will create an illusion of the hourglass. Basically, just keep in mind that you need to strike a balance between your upper part and your lower part. So our fourth body type will be a rectangle body shape. In the rectangle body shape, usually everything is well balanced from the shoulders to the hips, and there is not much a definition to this body type. It's basically straightforward. Tips of this body type: your arms and legs are the biggest assets in this, so you need to focus or enhance on that part. It's more of like a hourglass shape but minus the waistline. Now for the best clothes that suits you are you choose A-line skirts, layered or ruffled tops. You can go for strapless or sleeveless shirts, and basically enhance your bottom part. So you can also go for blazers, jackets. If you want to add drama to your styling, go for a cape. It will definitely give you a boost. Will be an inverted body shape. This body shape is also known as athletic body, as most of the weight carries on the upper part of the body compared to your hips or lower part. So your arms and shoulders need to be enhanced here as much as we can. So let's start working on them. For the styling tips for this body is you have to remember to add definition to your lower part of the body because it is much narrower than your shoulders, and you need to focus on creating a balance for it. So straight cut jeans and dresses that are naturally have an inverted V look to them are definitely a dress or styles for you. The best clothes for this body type is as your hips are much narrower than your shoulders, go for pencil skirts. Skinny jeans with any top will be a yes for you. Just don't focus on enhancing or adding layers to your upper body because it does not need much. Just focus on your lower body and strike a balance and create a style according to it. So I'm sure you all came to know what body type you are and what style suits you. This video will just help to boost up your confidence and just increase your fashion sense. I know you all know yourself better than others or better than me, like what color and all suits you. But this video will be really helpful if you share this with your friends and families and let them know what body type they are. Do comment in this comment section what body type you are. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel to get more fashion updates and fashion knowledge. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe.